Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about trade journaling, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
Can you talk a little bit about best practices in journaling, how you have found that it works best and is the best way to be helpful in your trading, particularly looking back and trying to do things better, especially if you've gotten off track or over traded or things like that?
There are two aspects to recording what you do. Essentially, what you want to do is you want to create a continuous improvement process, and that is all involved with journaling and logging, and then your retrospective. So those are sort of like the triumvirate. The logging is the objective collection of information. The journaling is the collection of subjective information. And the retrospective is the process that you go through where you're evaluating what you've done. The journaling is there to capture events that are human-made as opposed to what the market did. And you're trying to find out whether or not on any particular trade you exhibited poor behavior or had maybe your psyche was off or anything that you can look at over time and start identifying a pattern of behavior that can raise concern where you think that, okay, this is starting to become deleterious to my trading. And so this habit that I've picked up of exiting too early or exiting too late or over trading or whatever it is, or however it manifests itself, it needs to be fixed. And so the only way you're going to find that is if you are diligent about journaling everything that you do. And so what should you journal? I would say as much as you possibly can, right? But ideally, you're trying to also journal your behavior. And so you could look at it in a number of different ways. You could have a basic feeling. I've often said that there's maybe three basic things that you want to journal. What your perception of the market opportunity was, how you actually executed the strategy. Did you do it well? Did you do it poorly? And what was your mental state? And besides that, you want to also journal the activity that you did. Almost everything that I do in the Discord is in effect part of my journal. Yes, I'm doing it so that you can see it on the Discord, but that's what I would be doing, right? So every morning I would be doing a market analysis like I do and doing those screenshots, everything about it I would do every morning. I am constantly reevaluating my market structure and my analysis, my thinking, the annotation of my charts, building out that decision tree that I have every morning in that morning analysis. That is constantly going under revision and updating based on my empirical evidence that I've gathered over the years. Yeah, I'm always looking at that data and constantly reviewing it and trying to find out where am I going? And where have I been? And is it positive or negative or whatever? So that's what I would say journaling is all about. You can pick out some real basic things and just start doing it, but getting into the habit of documenting everything that you do, and the more complete you are, the better.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.